Merry Christmas! Hey, guess what? Santa came. You want to go see what he brought? Let's go see what he brought stuff. Come on.
Come on, Santa came. Let's go see what he brought. Oh, let's go look.
Come on, Abel, hurry.
Come on, let's go look at all the toys Santa brought. Okay, let's bring them. And Daddy's car. Okay. And Papa's car. Okay.
I think you're going to like what's in the letter.
Okay, let's see what Santa brought you.
Santa came and he brought something for you.
That's Abel's car.
No, that's Abel's car, baby. He's saying Ashley and Matthew's car.
This is Abel's car. Santa brought
You want to get
for
in it?
you.
Move over, Mokos. What do you think, baby? Drive.
Oh, awesome, boo-boo.
Uh-oh, it's not working. Drive. Do you like it? Able drive. Did Santa bring you a truck?
Oh, look what he brought. Daddy's truck. Look. Daddy's truck.
What did... Daddy's truck.
It's Daddy's truck.
Abel,
Look at the other stuff.
what did Santa bring, Abel? Beep, beep.